Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in this channel, we share methods on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs. And guys, thank you so much for 900 subscribers. So we are on the road to 1000 subscribers. Please, if you are not subscribed, do you consider subscribing and turning on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video? So, judging from the title of this video today, I'll be taking you guys step by step on applying for the Nasi Ispani jobs. So, the jobs that are closing 4th in July 2023. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into it. So this is how the website looks like, and I will leave the link in the description box. So all these jobs are closing on the 14th of July. So as you can see, as I'm scrolling down, you can see that there's a lot of jobs, but it's not all jobs. So to see all jobs, you'll go up there and click on jobs, and you will see all the number of jobs that are available. So on the search bar, you can search for the position you're looking for. So right now I was searching for a clerk position, and you can see the number of jobs that are available. This is only Department of Health, you guys, because there's so many departments and they have so many jobs. So I'll show you all the departments and I'll show you the jobs available in each department. So you can just search and get the job you are looking for very easy. So on the search bar, you can actually search the position you're looking for, and like going one by one, it will save you so much time. As you can see, I was searching for a clerk job and also for a cleaner position. So there's a number of jobs that popped up. And also guys, mind you, this is only the Department of Health. There are so many departments that have so many positions. So if you are not registered with the department, you'll go ahead and click on register. But because I do have an account, I will go ahead and log in. And guys, please bear with me because most of the information will be blurred out because the department is mostly using your ID number as opposed to using your name. So after registering and logging on, you'll see at the top there will be where you have to manage your profile. So it will be your surname and your profile. So when you click there, you will see you need to put in your personal details, your school details, your employment details, and then your language details. So I just want to click on language details to show you guys where you can attach your documents. So down there where it says choose a file, then you will select your file from your PC and then you will upload your file. Guys, please make sure that your documents are certified, and then you are going to certify your documents. Scan them to your PC or your phone because you can use both your PC or your phone, and then you will then upload your documents. And also don't forget to attach your CV as well, and also your Z83. Speaking about the Z83 form, you guys, it's not like the olden days whereby you needed to download and rescan it. Manje uyakhona ukuyigcwalisa online and then fill in your information and just attach from there. So if you guys would like me to do a video showing you guys how to do that, please comment on the comment section and let me know if you'd want me to do a video showing you guys on how to fill in a Z83 form online and the new form, to be specific. So I personally like searching jobs by departments because it makes it easy for me when I am editing this Z83 form online. So as you can see, there's a Department of Agriculture, Safety, Economic. I mean, like there's a lot of departments that have so many job openings, but Guys, bayavala nge-14, they actually closing on the 14th, so you have to apply before the 14th because there's so many departments, so many. So I've already went through the Department of Education, Department of Health. There are so many jobs. So now let's just click on the Department of Health. So I want us to search for an entry-level job of a clerk, so we can see the number of positions that are going to pop up, and this is only the Department of Health. So you guys, so you'll have to go department by department to check the positions you're looking for, and then go ahead and apply. It's so simple applying online, unlike going to the department or to the post office buying an envelope. So it's so simple to apply. You can apply for 10 positions a day, 20 a day. It depends on the amount of time you've got. So now let's just click on one position to see, so you guys can see how simple it is to apply for these positions, especially if all your documents are certified and they are all uploaded. Okay. So this is an administration clerk position. The reference is there, and then you are going to be working for the Gauteng College of Nursing, and your requirements, it's grade 12 or equivalent. You need 0 to 2 years relevant administrative experience, and then they say computer certificate or computer literate, good customer services, and individual required for this position must be consistent in managing a busy workload. You must possess a good office organizational skills, possess the ability and skills of anticipating and meeting the needs of a busy office, good communication skills, verbal, non-verbal, and written skills, high-level typing skills, knowledge of Microsoft Office, ability to use own initiative and meet deadlines when required, knowledge of Batupele principles, interpersonal skills, and ability to work under pressure, diligent and committed individual, a driver's license will be an advantage. So those are the requirements. So basically it's grade 12. So if you scroll down to the criteria question, so they're asking if you have grade 12 certificate or equivalent, and they're asking if you have between 0 and 2 years relevant administrative experience. So if you are someone who has no experience, you can still apply for this position because they're actually looking for a grade 12. So now you are going to go ahead and click on apply now, and then you land on this page. So first off, you will start by selecting your availability. So if you are available immediately, you'll select immediate. But if you need like a week notice, and then you select a week notice or a month notice, it will depend on you. And then once that is done, you will scroll down to select all the documents that you uploaded on the system. So don't forget to select your Z83. Don't forget to upload it. So I always upload it with the reference number so that it's simple to upload to apply. So you just have to select your Z83, and then once that it's done, you will click on apply now. And then you will pop on the next page, and you will have to declare. It's a declaration page, and you will then select yes and then apply. So I'm not going to apply because the Z83 that I selected doesn't match the position, so the reference doesn't match the position, so I was just doing it for the purpose of this video. Just like that, you have applied for an administration clerk position. So to check your application history, you will click on manage your profile, and then you will see application history. Then you will see all your applications, all the applications you have made. That's it from me, guys. If you have any questions, please drop them by the comment section. And also another tip, guys, apply for as many positions as you can, because you might be called by 4 different departments. Just apply for as many positions as you can. And thank you guys for watching up to this far. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and your family members and other people that may be interested in such a content. And I will see you on the next one. Another thing, please help this channel grow by subscribing. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Please help us grow. Bye.